how to get dark mode on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can actually get dark mode on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to get dark mode on TikTok, all you have to do is just open the TikTok application over here. Then once you open the TikTok app, if I come to my profile page, you can see that I'm on light mode. So if I want to basically switch to dark mode, what you need to do is just tap the three lines icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap on the three lines icon from the top right, you will find the option called settings and privacy. So just go to settings and privacy. Once you go to settings and privacy, here you'll find other options such as display. So just tap on the display button. And then here you can see light and dark. So to switch to dark mode, just select the dark option like this, and then instantly you'll be switched to dark mode. Now you can also turn on use device settings, which means if your device is in light mode, then TikTok app is also going to use light mode. If your device is in dark mode, your TikTok is also going to use dark mode. So keeping that thing in mind, this is simply how you can switch to dark mode on TikTok. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.